Assalamu alaikum. Greeting all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to add WhatsApp link to your YouTube channel. First of all, I'll go to a Chrome browser, then go to the YouTube and click here YouTube Studio. Then at the left corner see customization. I click it and go to basic info. Now scroll it. Notice that links. I can add link. Now type wa.me/ your phone number. First of all, add your country code. I live in Bangladesh. My country code is 880. Now I give my phone number. Link title. Now I click publish. I have added here to WhatsApp link. Now click account, go to your channel, go to about section, notice that the WhatsApp link has created. Thank you, my friends.